Introducing the all-new American-owned, American-made 2016 Intimidator 800. Perfect for work, hunt, and play. Take speed to a whole new level. Reach up to 60 miles per hour with the new 65 horsepower 800cc gas engine. The new liquid-cooled power plant brings more horsepower and speed to the already tough Intimidator lineup. The 2016 Intimidator is a true 3/4-ton UTV with a stronger American steel frame, larger spindles, larger brakes, and larger wheel bearings than any other UTV on the market. The torque-optimized 2016 Intimidator 800 delivers class-leading towing and cargo capacity, giving you the ability to haul just about anything. And with the shift-on-the-fly four-wheel drive and locking differentials, you have the ability to go just about anywhere. Intimidator is one of the fastest-growing UTV companies in the industry, proudly manufactured in Batesville, Arkansas. Intimidator is committed to providing our customers with quality American-made UTVs that are affordably priced while exceeding performance and durability standards throughout the industry. Now, you can work, hunt, and play even faster.